CC Squad, it's me CC, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of red marks on your face. So first you're going to need your e.l.f. If I can get this open, this one. So you are going to take the white one right here, the white thing right there, and just apply it to any red mark on your face. I'm going to I'll do my nose. I'm kind of sick, so my nose is kind of red. Sorry, that mirror is just really bad. So just keep taking more until that spot is just not red. So that's the red spots trick. And then, of course, if it looks too white, like not your skin color, white, like really ghosty white, you can just rub it in and then it'll get better. So that is my beauty video for the day. I have a 3-minute timer running here, so I'm going to try to hurry this up. Also, I got a little clothing chart. So on Mondays I wear plain, Tuesdays I wear gray, Wednesdays I wear colorful stuff, Thursday I wear blue, and then Friday I wear glitz and glam. So today's Tuesday, so I'm wearing gray. This is kind of more black. It has gray in it, but yeah. So this is my beauty video for the day. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and look for my video tomorrow. I'm going to be going to ice practice, and I want to say bye, CC Squad.